Hi, I'm Jeff Luty, the window expert. I'm standing here with Jeremy Deverell. Actually, a good friend of mine, but we've been working together for 14 years now.
We have.
Jeremy is the vice president of field operations, meaning he oversees all of our crews. How many guys do we have installing now?
We got about 55.
About 55 guys here in Houston. What about, or is that counting Dallas too?
No, we got about 55 here in Houston, and we got 12 up in DFW.
Okay, and we're expanding into other parts of Texas, so maybe we'll be near
right.
you if you live in Texas. If you don't, by the way, I have a list of great window companies all over the country that do things the way we do things. It's jeffslist.com. So Jeremy, this is kind of cool. We're still building it out, okay? This is version 1. But you've built like this training wall. And you know, one of the things is we have employees, right? Not contractors. And so we like to control the quality. So it's important to us that they understand how to install the way we do things around here. So kind of walk us through why you built this, and let's go through each station and talk about sort of like how important it is to treat different things with different types of materials. Tell us about that.
Okay, so we created this training wall because we do things different than everybody else. You could show anybody how to install a window or a door, but it's what we do before we put it in. It's our flashing system, recognizing the drainage plane of the home and how we restore that after it's been destroyed. So it's hard to teach that in the field a little bit, right? So we wanted to get in here and just show everybody every situation. So we built it in hardy plank siding. We did a brick opening and we did a stucco opening. Those are the 3 main ones that we deal with.
Okay, so before you go further, I want to back up and ask you to explain a little bit more. When you said when you destroy the drainage plane, some people probably heard that and thought, ain't nobody going to destroy nothing on my house. Explain what you mean by that.
Everybody's is getting destroyed. When
you put in a new window, there's no avoiding it?
No, because in a new construction install, you're able to flash around the nailing flange before the brick and siding and stucco are there. So you can do such a great job of flashing a window. When you remove that, you're destroying that whole system.
Okay, so we have we call it, I think it's an envelope. We call it like an envelope around the house.
Right.
The envelope went on, the window went over the envelope, then you put flashing around the window.
Right.
But the problem now is, maybe you could do it on siding, right? You could get the trim off and go behind here and get to it closer. But you sure can't do that with brick. You'd have to take the brick off.
You'd have to take it off. And even the siding, people say, oh, it's easy, just pop this off. That's not true. Usually the siding goes underneath and it's overlapping the window. So you would have to go back this far and cut all the way around the window, that 3.5 inches or 4 inches, remove it all, restore it, and then put the window in.
And then repaint it.
And people aren't paying to do that. They don't know that it's necessary.
Right.
And people are just putting them in and caulking them and walking away.
So we call that caulk and walk.
Yeah.
And most window companies do caulk and walk.
They do.
What Jeremy's referring to is, you as a homeowner, if you've never bought windows before, you don't really know what questions to ask. You don't know if they're doing it right. Right? So somebody might say, well, I can install this window for $200, and another company says, well, we need, it's $500. Well, because one's going to go to a lot more trouble to put that window in than another company is, right? That's part of the deal. Okay, I think it's cool to talk about this. We can do what would have been the equivalent to getting a saw and cutting all of that open without getting a saw and cutting all of that open. How, Jeremy? And by the way, Jeremy invented this. You did.
I did.
He's very humble.
Oh, thank
you.
you.
Invented this. How did you come up with this, and how does it work? Explain.
So after years of having issues, even though I thought I did a very good job installing, water would leak from the top, get the sheetrock wet. And I was trying to figure out how's this happening, because it had nothing to do with my install. Well, what was happening was we were destroying the drainage plane, right? And we didn't know water got behind walls like it does. And not every house does, but a lot do. For example, here on this brick opening, a lot of people don't know this, but brick is a veneer. It's not technically connected, right? So
there's a gap between this and my actual house.
There is, and there should be.
Right.
There should be. When water gets behind this from cracks, sweating, it comes down, it drains out of the weep holes that are left by the brick mason there, right? So that tells you water gets behind bricks. So we had to create a system to not let the water get into the house So we created a flashing system with metal flashing, with side flashing, with seal flashing. So any water that gets on here, it's designed to stay inside our flashing system, stay
and roll
outside,
around to the out.
It rolls to the outside, back to the original drainage plane, so it can come out like it should down here.
So we made a great detailed video. I think it's almost 20 minutes long. But if this is important to you, go watch that video, because we go through the entire window removal and then flashing and then reinstallation process. And I think that'd be worth a look. Jeremy, I saw a guy one time who I went out to his house, and I can't remember if you were a part of this project or not, but he was worried about ants and bugs getting into his house. And so he came and caulked up all of his wheat poles. Do you remember that project? Were you on that one? Anyway, we told him don't do that, and he went and got a drill, because I suggested he drilled a hole and water started coming out of there.
Oh, wow.
So he had been built, I don't know, obviously it wasn't this deep, right? But
Right.
He had built up enough moisture in there that when he drilled that hole, water came out. So don't ever cover those wheat poles. Those are there for a good reason.
So it's a little different here, and in siding, it's smaller as well. But what we identify is, where is the drainage plane? Where is that? What is it? It could be felt paper, it could be Tyvek, whatever. So we're identifying that, we're finding it, and we're making sure we're overlapping onto that. So that's what we're teaching in the 3 different scenarios.
So the key is know what to do, and then a second is enforce it with your team, right?
Absolutely.
Because it's easy in the field for people to skip these steps.
Right.
What do we do at the Window Experts to make sure that it's actually being done in the field the way we promised a homeowner?
So we have a crew leader that runs his crew, and we also have 2 managers. They're over quality control, Gerald and Marcelo, and they're dropping in on job sites often.
We try to hit every job.
We try to hit every job. They each manage 4 crews here in Houston, so they have 4 houses to try to get to if they can, and they're stopping in. They're making sure the guys are doing it the right way. They're training them in here before they even get to do it themselves.
And I think that's important, is if the installer, right, take your entry-level installer, you hire a new guy, if he understands the why, not just the what. If you just said to him all day long, I want you to do this.
Right.
He'd say, today I'm not feeling it.
Yep.
I'm on the phone with my girlfriend, right? But if they understand why, hey, here's why. Otherwise, this window's going to leak,
Yeah.
right?
And one thing we do is, outside we have our training wall with the clear window, the one we made out of glass. So we show them how it leaks.
Link to video below.
Yeah. And we go out there first and we show them, here's why we do this. Let's show you. And they get to see it leaking and come into the house.
Into the house and dripping down the wall.
Yeah, and they're like, and you don't see it because it's behind the sheetrock. And
Right.
they're like, oh, you see the lights go on, like, oh, this is why we do what we do. And then, all right, let's go in here and let me show you how to do it again.
How to do it, yeah,
Right.
yeah. Right. Jeremy, such a good job, man.
Thank you.
You have helped us. I like to say that we were better, and that's why we got bigger. And now we're bigger, which helps us even get better, because we can do things like this.
Yep.
If you're looking for a great window company, jeffslist.com. If you live in Texas, call us. And I just want to say thank you for watching this video. And please, if you don't mind, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and have a good day. We'll talk again real soon.